And I honestly think that, the accounting and advisory industry will be one of the, the data tells you this, will be one of the most affected by these advancements and by these changes. And it is in our best interest to embrace that change and get out ahead of it. Because honestly, if we are too slow in the adoption, someone else is going to eat our lunch. There are probably businesses out there that didn't even exist yesterday that will pop up, that will be competitors overnight. There are solutions and services that will come in and provide competition that we couldn't have even seen. They're coming out of our blind spots. You know what I mean? So I think this is one of the most important things that the firm will do as we move forward, and I think it will solidify what it means to be an advisor in the accounting, tax, and general business environment for the future. And I'm happy, I'm confident, and I'm comfortable that Sax will lead that message. This is just the start. It really is. This is the start. It's moving so quickly. Technology is moving so quickly, and artificial intelligence is moving so quickly that, this is the kind of thing that if we're not diligent and constantly on top of it, again, it's going to pass us by. So I think that we'd be foolish if we thought that this was a one and done, right? Like a one-time effort. We have to take what FPOV gives us today, and we have to adopt it, right, as Bible for us. It's obviously a provocative statement to make anyway, right, when it comes to technology and religion, but we have to embrace this as our operating mission as we move forward in order to be successful in the future marketplace.